What's up, Wildcats? Welcome to the week of February 19th. Here's your weekly rundown. Just any location, just gotta get it done at this point.
Did you bring the goods?
I did.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'll do the shooting.
Awesome. Just make sure you use your shots wisely.
Will do.
Awesome.
Excuse me, what kind of shooting are you going to be doing?
Luckily, this situation is just all a misunderstanding. However, these situations are possible. Today at noon, join Officer Randy Miles in 401B of Hale Library to learn about how to safely handle things like this and much more.
It's just
Whoa,
my camera
it's just a
bag,
camera.
dude.
Yeah, I'm just
It's
more
okay.
talking about shooting.
It's
Just
okay.
worried.
It's fine. It's fine. Classes and work have you stressed out? Don't stress about it, de-stress with the Cat Chat series this Tuesday at 4 p.m. in 13 of Leasure Hall.
Ms. Lacy, are you ready for your nail appointment?
I sure am. On Wednesday, get ready to battle over the creation of the best cupcake. UPC is hosting Battle of the Cupcakes this Wednesday in the Union Courtyard from noon to 1 p.m. So, who do you think takes the cake this round?
Definitely not yours.
This Friday at 8 p.m., bring your A game. UPC is hosting a night full of fun with karaoke, billiards, bowling, and much more. There's even be a lip syncing battle and a chance to win $250. This Friday, get lost in the magical world of Miguel and his family in the film Coco, showing in Forum Hall at 7 and 9:30 p.m.
Go see Coco at 7 and 9:30 p.m.